the followings. We'll start with the Nokar mantra and followed with the national anthem. I request every players to be stilled where they are located. Smashers Cup 2019 on a urge of a final day. This is the fifth day. 30 inter-village team from Rajasthan, 6 ladies team from Rajasthan, and what a beautiful tournament. Hello.
Check, hold, check, hold, check, hold, hold, check, hold, check, hold, check, hold, check, hold, check, check.
All the players, we are starting with the Nokar mantra in 1 or 2 minutes. I request everyone to be still.
Check, hold, check.
LED person, LED. Hello. Hello. We are starting with the Nokar mantra. Hello. We are starting with the national anthem also. As we are following daily, I request everyone to be there. National anthem. भारत माता की बोलो श्री वासु पूज्य स्वामी भगवान की जय। Smashers Cup 2019 day 5, the final day has arrived. The first match, Cosmos Cricket Club Bali versus Integrity Dance Music Sadri. I request Sadri players to be on a field. So we'll start the proceeding in 1 or 2 minutes. The 12th man of both the team is compulsory to be have at the commentator's end. I request from Dance Integrity Music team the 12th man,
check,
and the Bali Cosmos team, the 12th man of this team.
check, hold, check, check,
The way you're looking got me, baby. Now you are only mine.
Hello. We'll start the match again. What a huge success from the Rishabh. Oh, this is the second. Rishabh is on fire. This is Signature Jewelry Sixer. Rishabh at its best game, one of the finest players. We welcome photographer Vishal from MVP. We thanks all our sponsors. Title sponsor K Launch, powered by Sakaria Jewels, co-powered by Rivera Gems and Jewels, our star partner Kothari Fabrics, and event supported by Sparklight Event Entertainment. 30 participating teams from all the villages. The score update is 17 runs for wide ka ishara. The score moves up to 18 runs. बेहतरीन बैटिंग पहले दो मैचों में भी बहुत बेहतरीन बैटिंग की है उन्होंने. Superb square cut. Can it be a boundary? Let's see. The fielder is up to it, and it's a boundary. Signature Jewelry boundary. The score is moving from 22 runs. What a beautiful stroke. The bowler Akshay Gemawat. It's a dead ball. "22 runs. Yes, the batsman. Look at the spirit of the batsman. And Mr. Bhavesh. Loss of first wicket for Dance Integrity Music. And I request if anything is there, the captain has to speak directly and not all the players. I request only captains to discuss and not all the players. Pramod, rest be on the field as we don't have little time. Mayur is the new batsman on the strike, and the score moves up to 22 for 1 wicket in 1.3 overs. I request umpires to have a check on a time also, because today's schedule is very busy. We have all the proceedings, all the semis, finals of both gents and ladies. I request umpires to start the match. Mayur is the new batsman and is a fantastic batsman. Oh, it's a Signature Jewelry sixer, and what a shot! What a Welcome shots are the sixes only. The score moves up to 28. 28 for loss of 1 wicket. And dance integrity music is rocking. What a good shot. Cover drive. Ruchang is the fielder. Let's see, can it be a second? No, what a beautiful throw. The score moves on to 29 for the loss of 1 wicket. What a shot from Rishabh. This is a square cut. It's in the covers. And the runs is single. The score moves on to 30 runs for the loss of 1 wicket and 2 overs. Thank you, DJ. I request the players sitting from the back side on the banners. I request the players who are sitting on the back side of the banners. The third over is a power play, and power play is sponsored by John Lee Pharmaceuticals Company, Khivandi. I request the next match is of Shivganj Warriors versus Takatgarh Rising Stars. I request both the captains to give their playing 11 immediately at the registration counter. Third over is a mandatory power play. We have a power play sponsored by John Lee Pharmaceuticals Company, Khivandi, who has 850 products generic. Mayur is on the strike. The score moves on 31 for 1. What a beautiful bowling. The bowler name, Vineet Rathod. He's a fantastic fielder, fantastic bowling. वाइड का इशारा अंपायर का. Score moves on to 32 for 1 runs. Once again, I request both the teams whose match is second, Shivganj Warriors, अपना playing 11 दे दे. तकतगढ़ Rising Stars अपना playing 11 दे दे. The score moves on to 33 for 1. Power play overs 2.3 over. What a shot! It's a signature jewelry sixer. It's a shot from Rishabh. Six, signature jewelry sixer. What a beautiful shot. Wide का इशारा. The score moves on to 4-0. 40 runs for loss of 1 wicket. जब तक ऋषभ रहेंगे स्कोर बढ़ता रहेगा. More than 8,000 followers on the YouTube. Oh, what a beautiful bowling by Vinith. What a good comeback. Beautiful bowling by Vinith. The single. And the score moves on to 41 for 1 wicket. I request both the captains of the second match to be at the checkers for the toss. The captain from Shivganj Warriors, Mr. Kapil. And the cameraman, Mr. Vishal, also at the checkers for the toss of the second match. Shivganj Warriors versus Takatgarh Rising Stars. We have started with a beautiful breakfast from Jay Purohit. I request all the players to collect their coupon from the registration counter for the breakfast. What a shot. This is a superb re-signature jewelry sixer. जब तक ऋषभ ग्राउंड पे रहेंगे बॉलों की बरसात और सिक्सर्स की बरसात होती रहेगी. We have started with the toss and Mr. Vishal is also there. Second match, Shivganj Warriors versus Takatgarh. Kapil won the toss. Yeah. Fielding. Kapil, Shivganj Warriors have won the toss and elected to field. The second match toss has finished. Shivganj Warriors have won the toss and selected to bowl. ऋषभ की बात करें तो एक बेहतरीन प्लेयर पुणे से सादड़ी का. बेहतरीन सिक्सेस देखने मिले हैं अभी तक उनके बल्ले से. The score moves on to 47. Eleven ball, 28 runs. Rishabh. Score moves on to 47 for 1. What a beautiful stroke. This is क्या दो हो सकते हैं. बेहतरीन फील्डिंग का प्रदर्शन कॉस्मोस क्रिकेट क्लब. Rishabh individual score is 29. Score moves on to 48 runs for 1 wicket, 3.4 overs. Mayur is on the strike. This is also a finest player. बेहतरीन गेंदबाजी. बेहतरीन. Score moves on to 49 for 1. ब्रेकफास्ट स्टार्ट हो गया है. सभी प्लेयर्स ब्रेकफास्ट का लाभ लेवे. स्वादिष्ट भोजन by Jay Purohit. Superb bowling and the score moves on to 49 for 1 over the 4 overs. I request all captains to collect their coupons for the breakfast from the registration counter. The last over, I request umpires to start the match immediately. Let's start the match immediately. Mahavir is the bowler and Mayur is on the strike. The score moves on to 49 for 1. क्या ये ओवर डिसाइडिंग होगा? और ये बेहतरीन बॉलिंग महावीर की 6-7 गेंदों से बांध के रखा है दोनों बैट्समैन के। अक्षय की एक बेहतरीन गेंदबाजी फॉलोड बाय महावीर की भी गेंदबाजी अच्छी रही है। कॉस्मोस क्रिकेट क्लब एक बेहतरीन फील्डिंग का प्रदर्शन करते हुए अच्छी गेंदबाजी। ऋषभ को भी बांध के रखा है ऋषभ। लेट्स सी व्हाट द ऋषभ डज। ओनली 5 balls remaining. What a shot by Rishabh and what a beautiful catch. That's the catch of the match and one of the best finest catches from Akshay. From Akshay and Rishabh departs. The score moves on to 50 for 2 from 4.2 balls. I request Cosmos to start the match immediately. I request umpires. The next batsman is Vikas, the captain himself. Wait, just wait. Akshay is little injured. With a beautiful catch, what a superb catch. He knows the value of the player and he has given his 100% as an effort for this match, for the catch. Let's start the match. The third ball of the over. And the Mayur. And Vikas is on the strike. Let's see what the Vikas does. The score moves on to 51 for 2 wickets. 51 रनों का लक्ष्य है। "51 runs. Vikas is on the strike, the fourth ball of the over. And what a beautiful shot. Superb fielding or a run out. Mayur is run out. What a beautiful fielding by Tarang. We warm welcome Mr. Hiten, our title sponsor from K Launch. And there's let's see, it's a re-signature jewelry boundary on the fifth over, 4.5, and the score moves on to 56 for 3 wickets. We have started our breakfast, and I request all the captains and to collect their coupons for the beautiful breakfast from Jay Purohit. Hello. The last ball of the inning. And Mayur is on the strike. Mayur has lifted the ball and what a re-signature jewelry sixer. What a way to end the inning of a match. What a beautiful shot. The score moves on to 62 for the loss of 3 wickets. DJ 62 रनों 63 का लक्ष्य है कॉस्मोस क्रिकेट बाली I request Cosmos Cricket Club to send their batsmen immediately as we are running little short of a time. Dance integrity अपने फील्ड पे आ जाए और अपनी फील्डिंग लगा ले फटाफट. I request the Bali Cosmos Bali team to have a seat in a dugout. We have a dugout partner, Mahakali Accessories. I request once again to Bali Cosmos team to have a seat in a dugout. We have a dugout partner. We have a time running short also. Please, dance integrity. Have a field first. Umpires to start the match immediately. Cosmos to send both the batsmen and send the 12th man again for the names of the batsmen. Cosmos Cricket Club, please send up both the batsmen immediately. We are running short of our time. And with respect, time is valuable. Mr. Vishal and Pratik Gemawat, I suppose. Pratik is on a strike and Vishal is at a non-striker's end. I request dance integrity to have a field set very fast. We'll start the match immediately. कौन है? Akshay Bandari. Acha, the striker, the striking end is at Akshay Bandari. Akshay Bandari is on a strike. Takatgarh Rising Stars, this is the last and final call for your playing 11. We request you would respect. Let's start the match from umpires. The field is set. Let's start the match. 62 runs बनाए हैं डांस इंटेग्रिटी म्यूजिक ने 63 का लक्ष्य. Bowler is Darshan. What a shot, let's see. And the first ball, first wicket, Akshay loses its wicket. What a catch from Mayur. फोर का लक्ष्य है. आई एम सॉरी फॉर माय व्यूज. सिक्सटी टू हुआ है, 63 का टारगेट है. We'll start the match. First ball, first wicket. What a beautiful bowling from Darshan. Darshan is the finest bowler. New batsman Anish. The new batsman is Ronish Rathod. Vishal Kothari is on the strike. One of the finest players of Cosmos Bali. The score moves on to, it's a wide. The score moves on to 2 runs for the loss of 1 wicket. 63 रनों का लक्ष्य है. क्या कॉस्मोस बाली चेस कर पाएंगे प्री क्वार्टर्स में आने के लिए? It's a drop catch. This is a very valuable catch. It was dropped from the keeper. Let's see ये जीवन दान क्या विशाल कर पाएंगे. It's a re-signature jewelry sixer. जीवन दान भारी पड़ा है इनको. The score moves on to 8 runs for the loss of 1 wicket. विशाल कोठारी. जब इनका बल्ला बोलता है, अच्छे अच्छे तो बोलता है. सिक्सटी 63 का लक्ष्य अगर करना है तो विशाल को खेलना ही होगा. What a beautiful shot, and on the offside the fielder is there. The runs will close with the singles, and the score moves on to 9 runs for the loss of 1 wicket. एक बॉल पेंडिंग है, 5 बॉल हो चुके हैं. रोनिश एक हार्ड हिटर है. Ronish at it best, and Mayur, it's a simple formality for the Mayur to have a catch. This is a wicket, and Ronish loses. The score moves on to 9 runs for the loss of 2 wickets. The new batsman, Pratik. The new batsman, Pratik, and the new bowler is Sayam. Let's start the match. Pratik, I request Pratik to be on a field immediately. Bowler name is Sayam Bafna, and the Pratik himself. I request Pratik, we are losing time. And the team integrity to have a set on a field. The breakfast is ready. All the players, please collect their coupon for the breakfast. The score moves on to 9 runs. Require 24 balls, 54 runs का लक्ष्य है. ऋषभ की जोरदार बैटिंग. ऋषभ इंडिविजुअल स्कोर इज There's a chance, second chance. Let's क्या ये सेकंड रन होगा? बेहतरीन फील्डिंग ऋषभ की. The score moves on to 10 runs for 2 wickets. Rishabh has scored 29 runs of 14 ball, which includes 4 huge sixes. The score moves on to 10 runs for the loss of 2 wickets. A request to start the match. What a beautiful bowling. Sayam is a well-known bowler. कॉस्मोस को ध्यान रखना होगा कि लक्ष्य 64 का है, 63 का है. Second match, Takatgarh Rising Stars versus Shivganj Warriors. Shivganj Warriors has won the toss and elected to field. So I request them as the inning finish up, you set up your field immediately. What a shot. Let's see, can it's in the air and Rishabh is under it and it's a beautiful catch. That's to 16 runs. Vishal has to play a huge sixes to chase the big score. And what a beautiful shot. The new batsman is Akshay Gemawat. Singles, 1 run. The score moves on for the 17 runs for the loss of 3 wickets. Akshay is. Let's see क्या ये 2 रन हो सकते हैं और ये 2 रनों के लक्ष्य के लिए चुरा लिया है. They have to take an hurry because the target is huge. The score moves on for the 19 runs for the loss of 3 wickets. This is the second over. Smashers Cup 2019, day 5. The final day has arrived. The big and a huge inter-village cricket tournament. I request dance integrity music to start the match fast. The new bowler, Bhavesh. The score moves on to 19 with a loss of 3 wickets. 18 balls, 44 runs, the runs needed. We'll start the match fast. I request both the umpires to keep a watch on our timings also. Every inning has to be completed within 20 minutes. Match has to be completed in 40 minutes. It's a power play and power play sponsored by John Lee Pharmaceuticals Company, Kivandi. Only 3 players are allowed outside field, 30 yards. What a shot, beautiful shot, and it's a re-signature jewelry boundary from the Vishal. Vishal बेहतरीन जोड़ी है, इन दोनों को खेलना होगा। It's a beautiful, it's a huge six, it's a flat six. We have sixers and boundary partner, Re Signature Jewelry. Dot ball, beautiful bowling. The score moves on to 32 runs for the loss of 3 wickets. The last ball of the power play, sponsored by John Lee Pharmaceuticals Company, Kivandi. What a shot in the covers. Let's see, can it be a boundary hoga ye? Or a boundary. This is a re-signature jewelry boundary. Much needed. The full use of a power play. The That's a out. Oh, silent. Sayam is bowling beautifully. The score moves on to 37 runs for the loss of 4 wickets. The runs needed. "26 runs of just 9 balls. New batsman Mahavir. नौ गेंदों में 26 रनों की रिक्वायरमेंट। I request all the players who have come up on the field to have a beautiful breakfast from Jay Purohit. Coupons available in the breakfast counter itself. 3 balls have run. Mahavir is on the strike. Sayam is the bowler, and what a beautiful bowling from the Sayam. It's a dot ball. It's a wide ball. The wide given from the umpire. I request Sayam to respect. The score moves on to 38 runs for the loss of 4 wickets. The dance integrity music. That's a fielder there. Bhavesh himself is the fielding there, on for the single runs. The score moves on to 39 runs for the loss of 4 wickets. 24 runs needed of 8 balls only. Vishal. क्या ये गगनचुंबी सिक्सर मार पाएंगे? देखिए विशाल इंडिविजुअल स्कोर. What a shot in the covers. It's a catch. It's a catch and Vishal departs. It's a beautiful catch. Shivganj Warriors versus Takatgarh Rising Stars. I request Shivganj Rising Stars to be ready as the match finishes. What a beautiful bowling. क्या ये विकेट हो सकता है? नहीं. 39 runs, 5 wickets, 4 ओवर की समाप्ति पर. Target 63. I request to शिवगंज वॉरियर्स बी रेडी. जस्ट एन ओवर आफ्टर आप आपका फील्ड सेट कर दीजिएगा और तकतगढ़ राइजिंग स्टार्स अपने बैट्समैन रेडी रखें. This is the last over and I request them to start the match immediately. Rishabh, after a beautiful batting, .24 runs required. Ruchang is on the strike. He is known for the huge sixes. Let's see, it's a time for them to do it. 6 गेंदों में 24 रनों की जरूरत. Score moves on to 39 runs for the 5 wickets. Rishabh bowling पे है. Ruchang is on the strike. विशाल कोठारी जिन्होंने अच्छा योगदान दिया है इसमें, उनकी प्रेजेंस होती तो शायद आज कुछ सीन अलग होता यहाँ पे. Cosmos Bali targeting 63 runs with a loss of 6 ball, 24 runs for the first ball from the Rishabh and it's a drop, catch drop. क्या ये 2 रन हो सकते हैं? जी हाँ, ये 2 रन हुए हैं. अच्छी गेंदबाजी ऋषभ की. What a beautiful shot from Ruchang. It's a drop catch. The score moves on to 41 runs for the loss of 5 wickets. Twenty 22 runs required in just 5 deliveries. And Rishabh is the bowler. He's the finest bowler. क्या 2 रन हो सकते हैं? देखते हैं. चुरा लिया है 2 रनों को. 2 रन चुरा लिए हैं. The score moves on to 43 runs for the loss of 5 wickets. 20 runs needed of just 4 deliveries. Ruchang. और ये कैच हो सकता है और ये बैट्स. It's a simple catch for them and it's a Rishabh has closed. It's a beautiful. Thank you, DJ. All the players who are on the ground to have a beautiful breakfast from Jay Purohit. Team Shivganj is ready to be set on a field. The new batsman Pramod Jain. Mahavir is on a strike. 43 runs scored from 6 wickets with a loss of 6 wickets. What a good shot, but Bhavesh is on a field. Let's see, क्या ये 2 रन हो सकते हैं? और ये close था. Close था एकदम. Score moves on to 45. Just an official now. 2 ball, 18 runs required. Just an official, just to score. Net run rate, let's see. Mahavir. It's an 8 and क्या ये single होगा? only single. The score moves on to 46 runs for the loss of 6 wickets. The last ball of the inning. And the loss of run out. And this match is won by Integrity Dance Music comfortably. I request this team to leave this field immediately and Shivganj Warriors to come up on the field. Integrity Dance Music, please leave the field immediately. I request Integrity Dance Music team to leave the field and Shivganj Warriors to set the field immediately. Integrity Dance Music team to leave the field. And Shivganj Warriors are on the field. Takatgarh Rising Stars अपने दोनों बैट्समैन भेज दे. We request Takatgarh Rising Stars अपने दोनों बैट्समैन को भेज दे. दोनों का एक 12th मैन शिवगंज वॉरियर्स के आ गए हैं. तकतगढ़ राइजिंग स्टार से 12th मैन आ जाए.